Hello, my name is Amana Opoma, and in this presentation, I am going to pitch my senior design project idea to you by quickly going through the steps I took from creating my project idea to the challenges that will be faced while implementing it. The name of my project is UTalk iShop, and the basic idea is to enable users shop on a website called My Shopping without using their keyboard or mouse. All users have to do is say what they want, and an avatar displayed on their screen will carry out their requests. For instance, the user may say, "Add item number 112 to my cart," and the avatar will do so, as well as give a vocal response in order to let the user know that their request has been processed. So in this case, the avatar sales host will say, "Item number 112 has been added to your cart." Users will also be able to create an account on My Shopping. Doing so will enable them personalize their sales host avatar, save their shopping carts, mark items on the site as interested in so that they can go back later on and view all the items that they're interested in, and so on. For more information about the project, check out my project description video. This can be found in the documentation section of my project website. Every year, seniors in computer science create a project and pitch out to you all their projects. In order to distinguish my project from the rest, I have outlined the unique features of my project. First of all, my project focuses on aiding physically impaired individuals use the online shopping website without their keyboard or mouse. But this site is also open to all other users, in other words, able-bodied individuals. For people who do want to use their keyboard or mouse, that option will also be available. So in other words, my site is going to be there for customers 100% of the time. We are here to serve you. So why is my project worth your time? Well, first of all, my project encourages convenience while shopping online. There are times when I shop online and I get tired of clicking through the pages one after another, zooming in to get a better view of the products and so many other things. Well, my project eliminates the need to do all that. Secondly, not only is the site convenient, but it is also user-friendly. The main point of the avatar is to provide the shopper with a good experience while shopping online. If I haven't mentioned this before, you should know that the avatar would move around the screen. Let's call this gesture. The avatar will be animated to make certain gestures while communicating with the user. The idea is to keep customers' attraction while on the site. Finally, this idea can be incorporated into other sites of other businesses. So you can see, not only potential shoppers will benefit from this site, but everybody else can benefit from it too. After coming up with this project idea, I thought to myself, why would anyone, such as other businesses, want to use my project? Then it hit me. This plan is to make sites creative looking and attractive. If my idea is incorporated into other sites, customers' attention will be captured due to its creativity and attractiveness. This will also provide an extra value to the site relative to its competitors. And finally, you'll be expanding your customer base by making it easy for physically impaired individuals to use your site. So at this point during my project development, I had in mind what I wanted to do and why I believed it was important. The next phase was to dig a little deeper into the workings of the project. Here, I have outlined the main challenges that must be faced in order to get the projects working. First of all, voice synthesis must be implemented. Voice synthesis will be used to emit the avatar's response back to the user. Voice recognition will also be implemented to capture the shopper's requests, and the avatar also will need to be implemented. Combining these three parts into the website itself would also be academically challenging. Now let's dig a little deeper into how the project itself is going to work. We will do this by looking at a use case. Here, I am showing you a diagram of a process of requesting for the price of an item. This process will begin with the user asking how much item Y, for instance, is. This will go through the request processor in order to understand what the user is asking. After figuring out that the user is asking for the price of an item, the database will be checked to find out how much item Y actually costs. The appropriate response will then be checked, followed by getting the appropriate avatar action and response to be simultaneously delivered to the shopper. The avatar then will say item Y is ZZ amount, and this will go back to the shopper. So in conclusion, the basic idea of this project is to create a convenient world for online shoppers. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email at osukpoma@gwmail.gwu.edu. Thank you.